While PowerShell has many legitimate uses, it is also known to be a tool leveraged by the adversary. With that, CrowdStrike has built-in tools to help hunt for potentially problematic PowerShell events. For this demonstration, we are going to use the PowerShell Hunt report and search activities in the last 24 hours. We are presented with a summary of PowerShell activity in our environment, along with some supporting analysis to help the threat hunter establish prioritization. For each entry, there is a score, and the table is sorted with the higher scoring events on top. A higher score indicates activity that is more likely malicious. Towards the bottom of the page, we see lower scores on activities that are more likely to be benign, as they exhibit fewer suspicious behaviors. If we look at the column headers, we can understand the types of behaviors that are evaluated to comprise the total score. Things like downloads, encoding, and obfuscation drive the score higher. For this specific event, we see a score of 11 that includes things like execution bypass, a download, and a hidden non-interactive interface. This is the kind of event that is worth further research. Directly from the PowerShell report, we can click on the process ID to see the graphical view of this entire event. Looking at the execution details for PowerShell.exe, we can take a closer look at the full command line. Immediately, we notice a lot of parameters that triggered the higher score, including execution bypass and the hidden window. We also see that PowerShell reached out to GitHub to download mining.ps1, another PowerShell script. If we look back to the process tree, we see that PowerShell spawned additional processes. We can tell that the suspicious script invoked cryptominer.exe a number of times. It appears that mining.ps1 was used to download and launch an executable to exploit this system's resources for the purposes of Bitcoin mining. This too is an example of the kind of event that merits additional investigation, and we were able to find it quickly using a pre-built PowerShell hunting report and the native hunting capabilities in the Falcon UI.